On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about the importance of safety harnesses. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Today we're going to be continuing our PPE or personal protective equipment series with the safety harnesses. Safety harnesses are going to protect you in situations where you are, say, on the edge of a roof, just a mezzanine, or you're going up and down stairs, or some sort of a ladder, going up and down in a lift truck, or any reason why you would need to be tethered to a piece of equipment or some sort of a ledge or any of the above mentioned things and not fall. And I have two personal situations where this has actually affected me. One was in a cherry picker when I was doing some tree trimming for a company. A branch swung down, hit the cherry picker, and almost knocked me out of the cherry picker itself. The only thing that kept me from actually falling was the harness that I was wearing. Another time was going up and down on a lift truck and something getting bumped, and the shaking of that lift truck at the height that it was at actually would have thrown me out had I not been wearing a harness. So wearing safety harnesses is absolutely paramount to your safety when you're dealing with anything where you need to be tethered to make sure that you don't fall or that it's securing you properly. And it's something that is either going to be facility mandated or possibly something with OSHA that your company has to make sure that you're wearing them. So you may even be in a situation for possibly getting some sort of a penalization from your company if you don't wear them. It's not like some of the other things where you might take off a pair of safety glasses or take off a hard hat or something like that, and they be able to look past it. If they're just walking by, sometimes it may even be a zero tolerance type situation where they have to let you go if they see you not observing it, because it's just that dangerous. So make sure that you're always tethered. Make sure that you realize that it's the things you do when people aren't looking that is going to keep you the most safe, not because management's there, not because you're supposed to be doing it, but because you know it's safe and that's what you're supposed to do. And hopefully it's going to keep you safe and send you home at night, which is exactly why we keep pounding home the fact that you wear this PPE at all times. So thank you very much for being part of another Warehouse Safety Tips. And until we talk to you next time, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.